Welcome to Creative World viewers. In this video, we will solve an electrical engineering job test question. Problem states that voltage drop across the resistor 3 ohm B. Option A 18 volt, option B 6 volt, option C 9 volt and option D 12 volt. This is the circuit and we have to calculate voltage across this 3 ohm resistance. Due to parallel connection, this 24 volt will be appearing across these two resistances. And these two resistances are connected in series. So we can use voltage divider rule to find the voltage drop across 3 ohm resistance. We know the general formula of voltage divider rule, that is Vx equal to Rx divided by RT multiplied by V supply. V supply is the total supplied voltage to our series network, RT is the total resistance of that series network, and Rx the resistance across which we are calculating Vx. In our case, supply voltage is 24 volt and Rx is 3 ohm, and the total resistance will be sum of these two resistances. Place values into the formula. VR3 voltage across 3 ohm resistance will be 3 multiplied by supply voltage 24 volt divided by the total resistance of this series network, that is 9 plus 3 ohm. Total resistance will be 12. This 24 will be cut with 12 and the product of 3 and 2 will be 6 volt. So the right answer is 6 volt, that is option B. Thank you. See you again in next video.